Phew. Apparently, these 5 steps will make you sneeze. Start off by using your 2 fingers to massage the side of your nose 5 times. Once you've done that, then take one of your fingers and brush the top of your nose, but don't stop brushing. As for the next step, we need to blink exactly 8 times whilst brushing our nose. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, to let me know that you're still following along, simply hit that like button. Before we reveal the final step, all you need to do is rub the underside of your nose and